Thank you. You're putting everything back. Are you a good girl? Aww, you're feeding the baby.
Yeah, true.
Uh-oh. Does she have a boo-boo? You might want to kiss her boo-boo. Aww.
So, Mama, that she's, oh, no, no, poop.
Did she go poop?
Yeah.
Why don't you change her? Yep, give her her nook. You want me to hold your baby?
Yeah.
Okay. You put her nook in her mouth? There you go. There you go. Uh-oh, boo-boo. That's okay. You can feed her. Thank you. You want your baby back?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Please.
There you go.
No.
Ow.
Ow.
Sorry. Aw.
Pappy. Pappy.
Hey, Chloe.
Cheese.
Can you say hi, Grammy and Papa?
Papa.
What about Grammy?
Sissy. Sammy. Sissy.
Sit.
Sammy.
Sissy, Shammy. What about Evan? Evan. And Grammy?
Sissy. Sammy.
Sissy and Shammy. Can you say hi, Grammy?
No.
Say Grammy and Papa?
No.
Sissy, Shammy?
Sissy. Sammy. Sammy. Sammy.
You...
Sissy. Sammy. Papa. Sammy.
What about Mimi?
Mimi.
Grandma? Or Grammy? Grammy, Papa, Evan. Yeah, all those people. It's hard to keep track, huh? All right, Mommy's gonna go. Can you say bye-byes?
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Grammy.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Can you say I love you?
Mommy, and Mommy, and Mimi.
Mimi?
Mimi. Yes. Bye.
Say I love you.
Uh-oh.
Give him kisses. Aw, give kisses. Aw. Oh, you're blowing them. Bye.